Despite the tremendous scientific and technological progress humanity has achieved, many mysteries still stand in the way of fully understanding the world around us. From the secrets of deep space to enigmatic biological phenomena, there are countless occurrences that remain unexplained, raising questions about the limits of our comprehension of the universe and its complexities. Some of these mysteries may be linked to extraordinary conditions or unknown natural phenomena, while others could potentially reshape our understanding of science as we know it today. In this video, we explore some of the most intricate scientific mysteries that remain unsolved, highlighting the theories and explanations that attempt to decode them. These mysteries not only challenge our knowledge, but also inspire curiosity, driving researchers to push the boundaries of discovery and understanding. To learn more about these fascinating enigmas, watch until the end, and don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel to stay updated with all the latest content. Dark matter and dark energy are among the most puzzling and intriguing mysteries in astronomy and physics. Scientists suggest that the majority of the universe is composed of invisible and largely unknown elements, while the ordinary matter we are familiar with, such as stars, planets, gas, and dust, accounts for only a small fraction of the universe. Astronomical observations indicate the presence of a hidden form of matter that provides the gravitational pull necessary to keep galaxies intact. This substance, known as dark matter, does not interact with light or any other type of electromagnetic radiation, making it impossible to observe directly. Its presence, however, can be inferred from the way it influences the movement of celestial bodies and the gravitational forces within galaxies. In contrast, dark energy represents an even more mysterious phenomenon. Unlike gravity, which pulls matter together, dark energy seems to push galaxies away from each other, driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Its existence was discovered in the late 1990s when astronomers observed that galaxies were not only moving away from one another, but doing so at an accelerating rate. This surprising observation suggested the presence of a previously unknown force influencing the cosmos. Current estimates indicate that dark energy constitutes about 68% of the universe, while dark matter accounts for roughly 27%, leaving ordinary matter, the matter we can see and detect, at only about 5% of the total cosmic content. Despite decades of intensive research, the true nature of dark matter and dark energy remains largely unknown. Scientists are actively working to understand these phenomena through advanced laboratory experiments, such as those conducted at the Large Hadron Collider, as well as through sophisticated astronomical observations. Techniques such as gravitational lensing allow researchers to detect dark matter indirectly by observing how its gravity bends light from distant objects. Advanced space telescopes are also employed to study cosmic expansion and investigate the influence of dark energy on galaxies. Over time, dark matter and dark energy remain among the greatest scientific challenges facing researchers today. No one has yet been able to observe them directly or fully understand their nature. Nevertheless, scientists continue to search for answers, hoping that future discoveries will unlock the secrets of these cosmic mysteries and fundamentally reshape our understanding of the universe, offering insights that could transform our view of reality itself. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most famous and controversial mysteries of the modern world. For decades, this region has been associated with the unexplained disappearance of ships and aircraft, often described as vanishing suddenly and without leaving any trace. The area forms a rough triangle in the Atlantic Ocean between Miami in Florida, San Juan in Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda, covering approximately 500,000 square miles. Although it has gained a reputation as a dangerous and mysterious zone, it is not officially recognized as hazardous by international maritime or aviation authorities. Nevertheless, the repeated reports of strange incidents have kept the legend alive and fueled public curiosity. Accounts of unusual events in this region date back centuries, with early explorers reporting strange compass readings and unexpected storms. However, the mystery gained worldwide attention in the 20th century. One of the most well-known cases occurred in 1945, with the disappearance of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy training aircraft that vanished during a routine training mission. According to official reports, the pilots became disoriented after experiencing navigational problems. Communication with the base was eventually lost, and despite extensive search operations, neither the aircraft nor the crew were ever conclusively found. The incident intensified speculation and played a major role in establishing the Bermuda Triangle as a global mystery. Over time, many theories have been proposed to explain the alleged phenomena in the region. Scientific explanations focus on natural causes. The area is known for sudden tropical storms, powerful hurricanes, and unpredictable weather conditions that can develop rapidly. Strong ocean currents, particularly the Gulf Stream, can quickly carry away wreckage, making it difficult to locate remains after accidents. Some scientists have suggested that underwater methane gas eruptions could temporarily reduce water density, potentially causing ships to sink abruptly. Others point to magnetic variations that may affect compass readings, leading to navigational errors and human mistakes. On the other hand, more sensational theories attribute the disappearances to supernatural forces, including alien intervention, advanced lost civilizations, or portals to other dimensions. While these ideas capture the imagination, they lack scientific proof and are widely dismissed by experts. Modern research indicates that the number of accidents in the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than in other heavily traveled regions of the ocean. Advances in satellite navigation, radar systems, and communication technology have greatly reduced unexplained incidents. Despite this, the Bermuda Triangle continues to symbolize mystery and intrigue, remaining one of the most debated and captivating locations in the world. Time travel is one of the most fascinating and controversial concepts in physics, philosophy, and science fiction alike. While it may seem purely fictional at first glance, certain scientific theories suggest that it might be theoretically possible, at least under specific conditions. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, time is not absolute but relative. It can slow down or speed up, depending on the speed at which an object moves or the strength of the gravitational field it experiences. This implies that traveling to the future could, in theory, be possible if a person were to move at speeds close to the speed of light or reside in an environment with extremely strong gravity, such as near a black hole. Traveling to the past, however, presents far greater challenges. Doing so raises temporal paradoxes that can disrupt logic and challenge the laws of causality. One of the most famous examples is the grandfather paradox, which considers what would happen if a person were to travel back in time and prevent one of their ancestors from being born. Such an action would make the traveler's own existence impossible, creating a contradiction that questions the very possibility of traveling to the past. To address these paradoxes, some theories propose the existence of parallel universes, suggesting that any change made in the past could create a new timeline without affecting the original one. While this idea is conceptually elegant, it remains purely hypothetical and lacks empirical evidence. In the absence of practical experiments to confirm or refute time travel, it remains one of the greatest scientific mysteries. The question goes beyond science into philosophy and metaphysics. Do we move through time, or is time moving through us? The implications of answering this question could fundamentally reshape our understanding of reality, causality, and the universe itself. Dreams are a mysterious phenomenon that have fascinated humans since ancient times. Across different cultures, they were often regarded as messages from the gods or windows into the future. Modern science, however, seeks to understand their nature, purpose, and the processes behind them. Dreams typically occur during the stage of sleep known as rapid eye movement, REM, when the brain is highly active, resembling its state during wakefulness. This heightened activity often produces images and events that can seem illogical or surreal. Many theories attempt to explain why we dream. One widely accepted hypothesis suggests that dreams help the brain process information and memories. During sleep, the brain organizes and stores daily experiences, and dreams may serve as a mechanism to strengthen memory and enhance learning. By revisiting and integrating these experiences, the mind can consolidate knowledge and skills, making dreams a potential tool for cognitive development. Another theory proposes that dreams act as a simulation of possible real-life scenarios, helping individuals prepare for challenges or practice problem-solving. In this sense, dreams may serve as a mental rehearsal space, allowing us to anticipate outcomes and navigate social or practical situations more effectively. Some scientists also believe that dreams play a crucial role in emotional regulation. By re-experiencing stressful or complex situations in a dream state, the mind can reduce anxiety and tension, helping the individual cope with difficult emotions in waking life. On the other hand, some hypotheses suggest that dreams might be a byproduct of random neural activity in the brain during sleep without serving a specific function. Nevertheless, the emotional impact of certain dreams, especially vivid nightmares or profoundly joyful dreams, indicates that they do have real psychological effects, influencing mood and mental well-being. Throughout history, dreams have inspired art, literature, and even scientific discoveries, serving as a source of creativity and innovation. Despite the progress in neuroscience and psychology, much about dreams remains unexplained, and research continues to explore their connection to consciousness and brain function. Whether dreams are a window into our emotions, a tool for learning, or simply random neural activity, they remain one of the most enigmatic and captivating aspects of human experience. Mysterious space signals are among the most fascinating and puzzling phenomena in modern astronomy, consistently capturing the curiosity of scientists, researchers, and enthusiasts across the globe. Over the past several decades, radio telescopes and other observational instruments have detected signals originating from the far reaches of the universe, often without any clear explanation regarding their source, origin, or nature. These signals can take many forms, including radio waves, brief light pulses, or other unusual and sometimes highly complex patterns that may repeat unpredictably. The unexplained and irregular characteristics of these signals have led to considerable speculation about whether they could be messages from intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations, or, alternatively, rare natural phenomena that science has not yet fully understood. One of the most famous and enigmatic examples is the WOW signal, detected in 1977 by astronomer Jerry Eman using the Big Ear radio telescope. This signal was exceptionally strong and clearly stood out from the usual cosmic background noise. Despite extensive follow-up observations and searches, the signal was never observed again, making it one of the most mysterious and enduring puzzles in the history of astronomy. Scientists have yet to confirm its exact origin, although some hypotheses suggest it could have been caused by natural reflections of radio waves, emissions from an unknown celestial object, or a rare cosmic event that remains unidentified. In recent years, scientific attention has increasingly focused on another type of mysterious signal known as fast radio bursts, FRBS. These are extremely brief, yet highly energetic pulses of radio waves, lasting only milliseconds but containing enormous amounts of energy. Some FRBs have been observed to repeat from the same source, which deepens the mystery surrounding their origin. Researchers continue to investigate whether these signals might be produced by highly energetic cosmic objects such as neutron stars, black holes, or magnetars, or, in a more speculative scenario, by advanced technologies from distant extraterrestrial civilizations. In addition to these signals, radio telescopes have detected other unusual phenomena, including repeating patterns of radio waves emitted by certain stars. Initially, some scientists speculated that these signals might be deliberate communications from intelligent life forms. However, further study revealed that many of these signals are of natural origin. For example, pulsars, rapidly rotating neutron stars, emit regular electromagnetic pulses due to their spin, creating patterns that can sometimes appear artificial or highly structured. With modern advances in observational astronomy, data analysis, and radio telescope technology, the search for non-natural signals that could indicate extraterrestrial intelligence continues. Projects such as Breakthrough Listen employ cutting-edge technology to analyze enormous volumes of cosmic data, seeking any signs of advanced civilizations. Despite these efforts, most of the signals detected so far remain of uncertain origin, making this field one of the most intriguing and challenging scientific mysteries of our time. Whether natural or artificial, studying these signals has the potential to reveal astonishing truths about the universe, its origins, its deep history, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. In 2023, the scientific community witnessed a series of discoveries that added new layers of complexity to our understanding of the universe and life itself. Among these intriguing mysteries, genetic studies revealed previously unknown ancient human lineages. These findings are reshaping our understanding of human evolution and ancient migrations. The genetic evidence points to complex interconnections between different human groups in prehistoric times, opening new avenues for research into our origins and ancestral interactions. In the field of physics, recent experiments have revealed unexpected behaviors in subatomic particles. Certain observations defied the predictions of established standard models, suggesting the possible existence of unknown forces or particles. These anomalies challenge long-standing theories and may require a re-evaluation of some fundamental principles in physics. Researchers are now investigating these phenomena in hopes of uncovering new aspects of the universe's underlying structure. In the study of marine biology, scientists have observed unusual patterns in the behavior of some marine animals, including whales and dolphins. Changes in their communication methods and migration routes have been recorded, with no clear explanation. These shifts may be linked to environmental changes, human activity, or other factors that are not yet fully understood, raising questions about how ecosystems respond to global changes. Climatology has also revealed unexpected phenomena. In 2023, researchers reported unusual atmospheric events, including the formation of atypical cloud patterns and sudden temperature fluctuations in certain regions. These occurrences are prompting scientists to re-evaluate atmospheric dynamics and consider how climate change might influence local and global weather patterns in ways that were previously unforeseen. Overall, these 2023 discoveries demonstrate that science continues to face major challenges in understanding the world around us. Each answer seems to generate new questions, fueling the ongoing cycle of research and exploration. From hidden chapters of human history to the fundamental laws of physics, the behavior of wildlife, and shifts in our climate, these mysteries remind us that the universe is far more complex and surprising than we often imagine, encouraging scientists to continue their pursuit of knowledge and deeper understanding. In conclusion, despite humanity's tremendous scientific progress, many mysteries continue to baffle researchers and drive them to keep exploring and experimenting. Some of these enigmas may only be a matter of time before we find explanations for them, while others could remain unsolved for centuries, waiting for new discoveries or more advanced technologies to decode them. Science remains an ongoing journey toward understanding, and every unsolved mystery could be the next step toward deeper knowledge of our reality and the universe around us. That brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and stay tuned for our next documentary.